What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change a rear bulb in your Dodge Ram pickup truck. It's real simple and easy to do. Right here you have your menu. We want to hit the back button and it brings up some options here. Now we want to toggle down until we see messages. This will let you know exactly which tail light is out. As you can see, it say my left rear turn signal light is out. So today we're going to focus on replacing the bulb for our left rear turn signal. Real simple, real easy to do. Let's get right into it. Okay, you're going to be taking out two screws, one right here and one right here. That's it. This may need to come out, but we'll see after we pull it out. I don't think so, so we're going to remove that one and we're going to remove that screw right here. This is the bulb that you're going to need, and if you do one side, you might as well do the other just to keep both of them fresh and expiring at the same time. So I'm going to do both sides. So let's get right into it. Here's the drill bit that you're going to need. I don't know what number it is, but it fits right into there. So take out one screw there. Take out one screw there. Once you get the two screws out, try not to lose them. The whole lamp should pull right out of place. So let me take the other screw out, and this whole lamp should pull right out of place. There you go. And if you're not too sure if it's the top or the bottom bulb, simple. Just go back to your vehicle, cut on the vehicle, turn on the opposite side, and as you can see, it's the top bulb. So that's what we're going to focus on, the top bulb. Right here. Just turn it counterclockwise, remove it. As you can see, this bulb didn't have it. Cut your vehicle back off and replace the bulb. Here's also a quick tip. Try to wear gloves so you won't get any fingerprints on these bulbs. They're very sensitive to fingerprints and grease and dirt. It will extend the life if you wear gloves to keep them from getting fingerprints on them. So cut the vehicle back on and let's see what happens. The vehicle is back on, and as you can see, the bulb is blinking. So I'm going to put the bulb back in the opposite way I took it out. Okay, it's time to put the bulb back in. As you can see, it's in the straight position. Just push it straight in, and we're gonna, once it's sitting in place, we're gonna turn it one time clockwise. There you go. And if you look on the back of the lens, it tells you which way to remove the bulb. Counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise. Put it back in place and you're all done. Make sure your hose is lining up before you start putting the screw in. It'll save you a bunch of time and less frustration. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to strip the screw or the lens. Just enough. Almost like finger tightening. Let's cut the car back on. Make sure the bulb works. Okay. No more messages. The one message went away. Just check the back of the vehicle. Light is working. There you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you soon.